Now we're going to solve inequalities using addition and subtraction. So this is the very easy thing. There's nothing weird to remember. When we do multiplication and division next, you're going to see that there's a rule that goes with it that is going to be familiar. We've done it before. But there's no tricky, tripsy rules here. This is straight up add or subtract to solve, graph your solution. So x plus 9 is less than 15. We will subtract 9 to get x is less than 6. Throw down a number line, put 0 and 6 on it. Less than 6 is an open circle, arrow to the left. I am going to go through these pretty fast. D minus 3 is greater than negative 6. We are going to add 3 to solve this one. That'll get me D is greater than negative 3. Number line. Negative 3 does go to the left of 0. Please pay attention to that. Negative numbers on the left side of 0. Greater than would be an empty circle, arrow to the right. Decimals, no biggie. One of the things, though, that might freak some people out here is that this has the variable on the right side. So you can absolutely just take what's on the right side, put it on the left, flip the inequality symbol, and take what was on the left and put it on the right. Okay? The key thing is the inequality pointed at the end, it should still point at the end if we flip it around. Now, this is a subtraction, so we are going to add 0.4 to both sides. That'll get us n is less than or equal to 1.1. 1.1 is positive, so it goes on the right of 0. And less than or equal to gets a filled in and arrow to the left. Oh boy, word problems. Ancient cell phones, yes, ancient, like 20 years ago, could sometimes hold at most 20 whole pictures. If such a phone had 16 pictures on it, write solve and graph an inequality to show how many more pictures this phone could take. Okay, so we already have 16 pictures. We will be adding p pictures, we don't know how many, and we can hold at most 20. So our limit is 20, and at most means we have to be smaller than or equal to that. Write the inequality. We have 16. We're taking up to p more pictures, but we cannot go over 20. So 16 plus p is less than or equal to 20. Solve. Well, that's simple. It's an addition problem. 16 is positive, so we will subtract it. We'll get p is less than or equal to 4. And graph. We plop down 0, we plop down 4. Less than or equal to gets filled in, arrow to the left. See, not too bad. A student can bench press 230 pounds currently. This person wants to bench at least 250 pounds. Write, solve, and graph an inequality. Okay, so they can currently bench 230, and we're going to be adding weight to that. And we know the goal is 250, so it's the number thing by itself. The key here is this at least. At least means we want to bench 250 or more. At least means that number or more than that number. So that would be greater than or equal to. We want 250 or more. The tricky part is writing this inequality. Once it's written, subtract 230 from both sides because it's positive. W is greater than or equal to 20. And a quick graph, we throw down 0, we throw down 20. Greater than or equal to gets a filled in circle, arrow to the right.